Fine motor skill is the coordination of small muscles in hand movements, involving the synchronization of hands and fingers with the eyes. Fine motor skills aid in the growth of intelligence and development. By 15 to 18 months, toddlers have a lot more control over their hand movements. Your toddler may attempt skills such as using a pencil or spoon or drinking from a cup. They will also gain more control of the movements needed for those skills that will enable them to start picking up very small objects such as small stones or parts of toys. It is very important to watch what your toddler picks up in case they try to swallow it. Activities to boost fine motor skills. Play with them using objects such as blocks and pegs. Give your toddler blocks to stack and knock down. Assemble simple puzzles. Sing along and do the hand motions to Itsy Bitsy Spider, Wheels on the Bus, and Head, Shoulder, Knees and Toes. Play clapping. Practice dumping and filling. Play with toys like piano, which has more keys to play. Practice scribbling and painting. Play with the toys which had beads. Let your toddler maneuver and count. Encourage skills such as using a spoon and drinking from a cup. Encourage playing with plastic or wooden stacking rings. Stacking the cups, manipulating play dough or wheat dough, and also dough mixed with natural colors. Playing with colors by making fingerprints. Using stamps on paper by using vegetables creatively. For example, here we used lady's finger. Picking up and transferring marbles, buttons, beads, grapes, and pomegranate. Using stickers or tape, let him practice removing and sticking. Stacking small wooden bricks. Tightening nut with bolt. Thread the beads. Squeezing, for example, sponge ball or glue bottle. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.